Is there anything that you're good at in life that you maybe weren't good at one point in time?
100%. A million things.
A million things.
Probably everything.
Right.
You know, the first time you do anything, you're not good at it.
100%.
I mean, you may have some natural talent or, you know, but
yeah,
you're not
afraid.
Great.
You're afraid, you're nervous. So if you okay, well, if that's true, which I agree with you, it is true. Everything that we're good at, we once sucked at. And most of the things that we suck at when we do it first, we're not confident at. There's an element of fear involved.
A huge element of fear.
So
I think fear holds us back so much.
Yeah. The fuel of confidence then is what? It's fear. And if you're like, hey, these feelings, this is just the fuel of me getting more confident. I'm doing what I'm supposed to be doing right now. I'm supposed to get better at this.
Yes.
It's okay.
Embrace the feeling.
Embrace it. It's okay that I'm nervous.
Of course. If you weren't, there's be something wrong with you.
Yeah.
You know?